name is Cess, and in this vlog, I will be showing you a few days in my life where I will be traveling with my family. It's been a while since I filmed this video and I'm finally posting it. Hope you enjoy!
突然のキスや熱い眼差しで恋のプログラムを狂わせないでね出会いと別れ上手に打ち込んで時間が来れば終わる Don't hurry I'm just playing games I know there's plastic love Dance to the plastic beat Another morning cruise愛に傷ついたあの日からずっと昼と夜が逆の暮らしを続け
So, this was on the day we were going to Baguio. But before we went there, we stopped by a church. Here's me and my sister. We were walking to the candle gallery because we're going to light some candles and pray. Here's us lighting up the candles. It's very calming to pray and be thankful to God about everything. We went outside and we were thinking of what to eat because we were getting kind of hungry. It was very hot and we wanted something cold, so we bought some halo-halo. The ambience in this place was really nice. Here it is! Here we are finally going to Baguio, which is only an hour away, I think, if I remember correctly. And before going there, of course, you have to stop by the lion. Too bad it was in construction. So we made it. We made it! So we decided to eat at this sizzling place at Session Road. And while waiting, you could see that the lights are really pretty. Really sets up the mood of the holidays. And we finally got our food. You could really see that I enjoyed this. It's really delicious. This is kind of making me hungry. Anyways, here's a little snippet of me devouring the food.
Tinago pala ni ate.
After eating dinner, we went ahead to the night market and they sold a variety of stuff. We did buy skirts and dresses.
Magkano po yung mga jacket niyo? Princess, look.
Before we went back to our place, we bought some donuts. On our last day, we went to the strawberry farm.
Okay na yan.
Ang tamis-tamis.
Anyway, I hope you enjoy the last bits of this video.
Janelle.